Hi kids, welcome to Saujanya Pre-Primary classes. Today I am telling you about strokes. Before writing strokes, just give them one white paper or rough notes and give them some crayons or pencils, anything, and tell them to scribble. Like how? Just they have to learn how to hold the pencil or crayon, everything. Give them and tell them to just scribble on that one. Then they'll learn how to hold the pencil or crayon, everything. Okay parents? Just tell the children to make scribbling on rough papers or any newspaper, something. Just tell them to scribble like this. Then start them giving strokes. Okay parents? Next, today I am going to tell about the strokes. Okay children? We'll start writing. Yeah, first stroke is standing line. What is the first stroke? Standing line. See how to write standing line. See, I kept the dotted lines, no? Just each dot touch them and write like this. Standing line. Right? Standing line. What is this? Standing line. Write like this. Standing line. See? Standing line. Okay children? Write standing line. See like this. Standing line. You have to touch the dots and you have to write standing line. If you are making them to write practice like this, then they'll learn how to write the alphabets, numbers and all. Okay parents? Make the practice like this. Now standing line is finished. Next we'll write sleeping line. How to write sleeping line? Like this. Sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. Yes. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. If you are making them to write like this, they'll learn how to write the letters easily. You have to give them more practice for them like this. Okay parents? Sleeping line. What is this? Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Yes. Like that only you have to give them 4-rule book and you have to make them write like this. See? Standing line. Sleeping line. Next, we'll go for the slanting lines. Okay? We'll write the slanting lines. How to write slanting lines? See, how to write slanting line? This is called right slanting line. You have to write like this. Right slanting line. You have to start from the right to left. That is right slanting line. 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 While you are writing also, tell them to read and write. Then it will be easy for them to recognize the things. Right slanting line. 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 If you are making them to practice more times, for them it will be easy to write. If not, they are unable to write on the books. So make them practice more. Okay. Now we'll write the left slanting line. Okay. We'll write the left slanting line. How to write left slanting line? See. Left slanting line. We have to start from the left to right. See, left slanting line. 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 Tell the children to touch every dot like this. Slowly make them to write. Then they will get easily. Don't make them to write fast. Let them write slowly and easily they will get writing. But give them more practice. If you are giving them more practice only, they can write easily and they learn how to hold the pencil. And they learn to twist their hands also. If you are making them to write like this, they can write easily. Okay, parents? Yeah, left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line, left slanting line, and make them read. Well, what they are writing, tell them to read like that. Then it will be easy for them. Next, this is right curve. What is this? Right curve. Right curve. What is that? Right curve. Now, we are going to write the right curve. Okay, parents? Okay, children, we'll write right curve. See. Right curve. Right curve. Right curve. Say, write slowly. Right curve. Touch each dot and write right curve. 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 Say, repeat it, repeat. You have to repeat the what you are writing. You have to repeat it. Right curve. Next, it's a left curve. See, like this. Left curve. Left curve. Left curve. So the balloon will be having thread, no? It will be twisting like this, no? That one. This is also one of the curve. If you are writing like this, it will be easy. Your hand will be twist. See, your hand will be twisted. See, like this. Then it will be easy to write for the kids. Next, upward curve. This is upward curve. Now we'll write the upward curve. Okay. See. Upward curve. How to write upward curve? Like this. Upward curve. Upward curve. Upward curve. Tell them to write slowly. Make them practice slowly. Upward curve. Upward curve. When they are writing, tell them to read and write. Upward curve. Upward curve. Upward curve. Upward curve. Upward curve. You have to repeat it. Upward curve. Upward curve. Okay. Next, see this rainbow. Yeah. Rainbow will be having 7 colors, no? Yeah. So, now we'll draw the rainbow. Rainbow is a downward curve. Rainbow, it will be look downward curve. See. Downward curve. We'll use another color. Yes. Like this. Downward curve. We call it downward curve. See, it will look in different colors. Downward curve. Like that only, give the parents, also give the kids like this different colors and make them practice. Downward curve. Then they'll feel happy and they'll enjoy in writing. They will be enjoy. When they're writing also, they'll feel happy and they'll keep more interest in writing. Like this. If it is in colorful, then they'll keep more interest, no? So, we have to give them some crayons or like this, different colors and tell them to practice. Like this. Downward curve. What is this one? Downward curve. What is this? Downward curve. We have to start from the down. Again, we have to come to down. Downward curve. What is that one? downward curve. We have to start from the down. See, I have started from the down, no? Again, I am going to up like this. And again, you have to come down. Downward curve. This is called downward curve. Yeah. Upward curve, downward curve. Next. What is this? This is circle. What is this? Circle. We'll do circles. Yeah. Okay, children. We'll do circles. See? Circle. Circle. Say and write. Circle. Circle. What is this? Circle. What is this? Circle. See, I am using different colors, different in blue shades. Circle. 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 See, now I am drawing these circles, no? Can you tell what is the shapes we are getting? Something we are getting in this circle. See, what is this? Some fruit we are getting here. Tell me what is that fruit? What is this fruit? Yes, very good. Grape. See, the grape shape will be in circles. Circle. What is this? Circle. Yeah, children. Practice at your homes. Okay. Bye.